Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. This style is one that we shared to Instagram and Facebook, and we had lots of requests for a tutorial. So it's just kind of a curved pattern with a feathered elastic style that comes into a half-up style. You could do this as an all-up style, but we chose to do it as a half-up style.
If you want to know how to do it.
Okay, let's get started. It's always important to prep the hair before you start a style. It will just give you a neater appearance. I've used a little bit of water to wet it down and I'm combing through it. I also did use a little bit of leave-in conditioner in her hair before we got started. I'm going to do a deep right side part above the middle of her right eyebrow and then come all the way to her ear on the other side. The rest of the hair I'm going to secure out of the way for now. This front section, you'll see it comes right behind the ear. The next area you're going to part out, you're going to start at the back of this part and make a crescent shape. I'm doing it slowly to see that you start with just a thin strip and then it kind of gets bigger as you come at an angle. The hair that's back behind this crescent, we are going to put into a diagonal side ponytail. So you'll see me combing it back to this diagonal, adding a little bit of product or spray gel, combing the spray gel through, and then doing a half-up ponytail in the back. Next we're going to be working with our crescent section. I'm going to comb it out and then we are going to start taking little sections. So I'm going to part off my first section. Now with her hair, it's going to be a little bit different with every child, but with her hair they're about 1/2 to 1 inch sections. So I've got my first one parted off and then we are going to do the second one. From here we're going to start our waterfall effect. I'll take the first ponytail, split it in two, and take half of that ponytail and add it to my second ponytail. Once I've added an elastic, we are going to continue this pattern. So I'm going to take these waterfall sections that I leave out and clip them over to the side for now. Second ponytail, split it in half, take half of it and secure it over in your clip. The other half you're going to add to the third ponytail. Now I've made these sections pretty small and I'm alternating rubber bands to give it a fun pop of color. You can make the sections bigger. This would be cute with even 3 or 4 sections of hair. I think in the picture that I show I had less sections than in the tutorial. It's really dependent on how you want it to look. So I'm adding another red elastic. This is ponytail number 4, and then we are going to part off another section, split ponytail 4 in half, add half of it to the clip, and the other half is coming into ponytail number 5. So we've got 2 more sections to do this with, and you just kind of want to keep your sections even. I just kind of eyeball it as I go, adding the waterfall half to the clip and the other half to the next ponytail. So this is our last ponytail. You're still going to split the second to last ponytail in half, bring it back into the clip, and then add the rest of it to the very last ponytail. And then the last ponytail, along with the other waterfall sections, are going to come back into the half-up ponytail. So I'm using spray gel to make sure they're nice and smooth and separated. I'll comb them out and then I'm going to bring them over and add them to my back ponytail. And then I'm going to bring the strands up just a little bit, make sure that they're separated to give it a fun look. So we are going to do one more spin with the finished hairstyle. You could do this as an all-up style. It would be just as cute. We have somebody else that wants to get in on the action today. This is Cole and he is 2, almost 3, right? And he sees Mommy and Nova doing these videos all the time, and sometimes he wants to be in them too, huh? Can you tell them what your name is? Is your name Cole?
Yeah.
How old are you?
2.
All right, that's it for us today. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, we would appreciate a big thumbs up, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like always.
I